To be 2 on my due date. Middle of June.
Almost 2. You ready? Okay, here we go. Okay, rocket ship, here we go. Good boy.
Good job.
Yep, you know what to do, huh? Okay, now put this hand there. Good boy, hold it there.
Good job.
And then both hands above your head. Good boy. Two times. Over here. You're a slobber monster. This hand. How old was he when he got his first adjustment?
About 24 hours.
Got it. So, that's why you're so good at this. And then what's this?
What you get?
Boy, tuck your chin down. There you are. Face in the middle. Love to slobber.
So we do a few dehydrated.
Yeah. Well, that was the next move I was going to do. There you go. Last one. Good boy. There you go.
Ready for ride? Good job.
Adjusted?
All right.